Hello, good evening, one and all. I am Sheikh Mandar Maske, working in a Institute for Culinary Arts and Hotel Management College, Goregaon, as a HOD. As a HOD, I want to say, I would like to say special thanks to the Amul to give this opportunity to prepare using their product to prepare the today's special my recipe, okay, online, Facebook online. I would like to say thank you again to our all ICAM team, especially our principal Mr. Shoaib Maniar sir and all our ICAM team. Today I will give you some details about the Amul. So Amul is a derived, the full form of the Amul, that is the Anand Milk Union Limited. That company is formed in 1946 in Anand Nagar in Gujarat, the states of India. In that, the founder of that company is a Tribhuvan Das Patel. The Amul company is the meaning of that Amul is in Sanskrit, that is called the Amulya. Amulya means is a priceless. Okay, so lot of so many very rich and the delicious product of the Amul is very famous in the worldwide. Okay, also this product I am using to prepare the special chocolate ganache cake for you, that is the eggless cake I am preparing here. Okay, for that eggless cake I am using here the refined flour, the 2 cups of refined flour. Also I am using here the 1.5 cup of fine powder sugar. Okay, then also this is all the dry ingredients I am using here. That is 2 tablespoon or 2 teaspoon of the baking powder, half teaspoon of the baking soda, pinch of salt I am using. Okay, this is all the dry ingredients, and this is a chocolate cake. We have prepared first the chocolate ganache. For that we need to prepare the chocolate sponge. So that I am using here the unsweetened cocoa powder. Okay, this is all the dry ingredients. In a wet ingredients I am using here the 1/2 cup of the curd. Okay, and also I am using here the 1/2 cup of the normal cooking oil, that is the unflavored oil you should use. Okay. Then also I am using here the 1/2 cup of the milk. Okay, this is all the products I am using Amul product. Okay, to prepare of my cake today. Okay, and for the ganache I am use here the dark chocolate 2 cups, and also I am using the Amul curd, milk, even the chocolate also I am using here from Amul, and the taste is very nice, very delicious, and get a nice texture to our product. So today I am not using any kind of egg. So instead of that I am using the curd, milk and also oil to preparation of chocolate ganache cake. So first of all, to prepare a chocolate ganache cake, use here the bowl, okay, glass bowl. I mix all the dry ingredients together. Just see these ingredients. First of all, 2 cups of the refined flour I am using here. In that I am used the 2 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of the baking soda. Okay, also add here the 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Okay, and sieve all these ingredients together. I sieve to mix together properly. I sieve all the ingredients together. Okay, to sieve properly, to mix all the dry ingredients together, use a sieve. This is very important method while you prepare the cake. Okay. Also add some pinch of salt here, and these ingredients I kept aside. Then also I am using here the mix first all the wet ingredients, that is the liquid ingredient first. For that I use this bowl. Then first again 1/2 cup of the yogurt, Amul curd. Then also I am add in this the half cup of the milk, Amul milk. Also in this I am adding half cup of refined oil. In this refined oil you use unflavored the olive oil also. Don't use the extra virgin olive oil. Normal virgin olive oil you use in this. There is no flavor. Okay. So we have whisked this three wet ingredients together. This liquid, mix it proper. Now in this mixture we are adding the powder sugar. In this mixture we are adding the powder sugar little bit at a time and just mix it. Okay. We have mixed this powder sugar and stir it or whisk it until this sugar dissolve in this mixture. Okay, properly. Okay, we have mixed this, whisk it until the sugar properly dissolve with this. All the wet ingredients, that is what we are using here, the half cup of the curd, half cup of the refined oil, and also use half cup of milk. Okay. Now in this mixture we are adding this all dry ingredients. We add this all dry ingredients, but little at a time, not at all. We are add little at a time and mix it. We mix all dry ingredients, okay, little at a time in this wet ingredients. Now add all remaining dry ingredients. Okay. Using the sieve or using the whisk, okay, first mix it proper, this all the ingredients, okay. And then we use a rubber spatula to mix it. Use the cut and fold method to mix this all in dry with the wet ingredients. Okay, chocolate ganache cake is very rich in the cake chocolate. Okay, we are using the chocolate 100% of chocolate and 50% of the cream. That is the double cream. Also you use. Some people they are using the fresh cream also, and some people they are using the milk also. And also to give a nice glaze in the chocolate ganache, they are add after melting on a double boiler or in a microwave. They are add little small piece of the butter to give a nice glaze. So this is your batter is done for the cake. Now this we are pour in this cake tin. Okay, already cake tin I put the butter paper and grease with the butter and dusted with the flour. So this is not batter when you put in this put in the oven for the baking. So it's not get stick to the bottom of the cake tin. Okay. So this is your when you prepare the chocolate cake, you check the texture. Okay, when you prepare the cake batter. Okay, so that you have to just check the pouring consistency of that. You have to mix it proper. Add little bit of milk in this to get a nice pouring consistency. sorry, that is dropping consistency is called the dropping consistency. Okay. So instead of the milk, you add the oil also. So this is your, this is called the dropping consistency. So we are this in mixture we are put in the cake tin. We have to pour this in a cake tin. If there anyone wants to ask me, I will. Anyone has query anything want about these recipes? Okay, just start, just make it. Okay, we have cut this. I am going to cut this. Remove all the air from the batter. Okay, also get a proper layer. Okay, level to the cake when you bake in the oven. And this cake, chocolate sponge, we are baked in the oven. This is cake we are baked in the oven. That is preheated oven temperature is 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, now we have. I am going to put this in the oven. Okay. So it's take around 25 to 30 minutes. So before the morning, today morning I am just prepare for you. This is morning I have prepared this sponge, chocolate sponge. Okay. So with this chocolate sponge, okay, I am going to slice this into two pieces and then put the icing. Okay. For icing, I will show you how to prepare the icing. For that, I am using here the 2 cups of chocolate here. Okay, chopped Amul dark chocolate, and in this chocolate I am going to add the 1 cup of the Amul whipped cream, double cream. Okay, and I put in the microwave just for 20 to 30 seconds, and then just mix it. We have put in the microwave. Okay, for this is your chocolate sponge. With this chocolate sponge, we are just slice into 2 pieces, make a sandwich, and in the inside we have put the ganache filling. And also this cake we are decorate with the ganache. Okay, that is for decoration or the icing. I am using the 2 types of the nozzles here. One is the 12 numbers of nozzle, and second is when we prepare the rose. So this nozzle they are using to prepare a rose petal. Okay, so these 2 nozzles we are using to garnish or decorate our cake. Okay, we will see this one. Let's go. So already we put for the 10 seconds this is. Okay, now we are going to mix this. For again 5 to 10 seconds, okay, in the microwave to get a smooth texture. Okay, with that now I am using to make a cake. I also use some sugar, okay, sugar syrup to give a nice moistness to the cake and also give sweet taste, okay. So for that I am slice this sponge. So this is your ganache is done. Now in this ganache I am also add, where if you want to give the glaze, nice glaze, so that you add the small piece of the butter also to get a nice glaze. Okay, so your ganache is ready. Just mix it, and for the frosting, when you prepare the ganache frosting or when you prepare the icing, that time you have to keep for half an hour in the normal refrigerator temperature, and so you get a little bit of thick, and then you have to beat with the using a whisk. And it's not a like a whipped cream, but it's not get a improve the also increase the volume, but you get a nice smooth texture. Okay, so this will take a time. For that reason, I am using already prepared the chocolate ganache for you. Okay, so this is already I kept in the refrigerator for half an hour, so it's get a nice texture, thick texture. Now I am going to whisk this, okay, to get a smooth texture. Okay, so I kept here this, and now I am slice this sponge. Okay, just slice it into this one. Okay, for the sugar syrup, same equal quantity of butter, equal quantity of water and the sugar. Okay, to prepare a sugar syrup. But don't cook, don't boil too much. Just only liquid consistency. Make a cooked boil until the sugar dissolve in the water. And then you have to keep it aside, make it cool, and that cool sugar syrup you have to pour on the sponge to get a nice moistness. Okay, so this is the down part. We are kept aside. We are kept on the top of the cake. Okay, and this is the top of the part. We are kept on here. Now I am going to whisk or beat this chocolate ganache. Okay, this chocolate ganache we are using to just put in the middle of the two slices of that, and also use for the icing the sugar. Okay, make it to decorate the cake also. Okay. For that, first of all, we have to beat this one to get a nice smooth texture. Now your ganache is done already. We have whisk with using a hand beater, and you get a nice smooth texture is there. Also get a change the color also. The when you prepare the ganache, the dark chocolate is there. Now is a light color is there, light dark brown color is there. So now first of all we have spread some sugar syrup on our sponge. Okay. Using a palette knife. Okay. So first of all we have sprinkled the sugar syrup on this sponge to give a smooth texture, to give a moistness to the your sponge, and also some people see that most of the bakery they are use this give a moistness also and is also increase the weight. So we are using here this sugar syrup just sprinkle with the in the middle of or on the top of the sponge. Okay. Now I spread this ganache on the cake and put in the middle. Okay, so first layer you are ready. Okay, now we are put on the top, that is the second slice. Okay, and keep on the top here. Clean the sides, clean the edges. Okay, also we have put sprinkle some sugar syrup on the second layer. On top of the layer we have put some sugar syrup. Okay, evenly you have to sprinkle this one. If you have the pastry brush, use that one also, and some people they use the bottles also to sprinkle the sugar syrup. Now on this top we are put the just like the thin layer of the ganache, because we are also decorated with the ganache. Okay, using a nozzles. Okay, now we are just put this on the top to cover the chocolate sponge. Okay, completely cover it on the top, but thin layer. Okay, and then also just cover with the sides also with the chocolate. prepare the chocolate cake, always maintain the temperature you are prepare in the proper cold, in a cold room. Okay, so maintain the temperature of the chocolate. Okay, so level this one properly. Now the remaining ganache we have put in the piping bag to make a design of that. For this I am using the 12 numbers of the nozzle with the piping bag. Okay. Okay, now on this sides I am use this one. Which one? Nozzle is a 12 numbers, 12 number nozzle this one, and this is the, we are prepared the rose petal, okay? That nozzle we are using. Okay, this is the rose petal nozzle I am using here to make a design on the sides. We have put some more chocolate ganache in the piping bag. Okay. Also, we have put some sprinkles on this. Give a sprinkle from there. Okay, so this is your. We have put some sprinkles, silver sprinkles on this. Okay, to give a nice look. Okay, so that we have put some sprinkles, silver sprinkles on this. Okay, so this is the ganache cake we have prepared. Okay. When you prepare the ganache cake, you have to just when you work with the chocolate, you are always maintain the temperature. That is very important when you prepare the chocolate. Okay, any chocolate product. So this is sprinkles, silver sprinkles we are put for the garnish on the top of the ganache. It depends on you. If you have the golden sprinkles, also use that one. Colorful sprinkles, you use that. If you have the chocolate, you have the chocolate also. You have to just make a chocolate to garnish your ganache. Also, some people they are using the strawberry, the seasonal fruits like a strawberry. They dip in the chocolates and they put as a for the decorate the cake. Okay, so this is here the chocolate ganache cake is here. Is already done. Okay, so now we have keep this in the fridge because to maintain the temperature. Okay, we have kept in the fridge. Okay, that is for 15 to 20 minutes until we are served to the guest. Okay, I would like to say again thank you to the Amol to give this opportunity, provide this opportunity to me. Okay, to prepare my recipe in this live show. Okay, thank you very much. Okay.
Keep rocking.